Hi, how can I help you?
I am looking for wood.
Of course, we have many type of wood. I will show you. Please come. We have different variety of woods. Soft woods, hardwoods, like exotic woods, like walnut, teak wood, beech wood, cherry wood. Which one you want?
I need beech wood.
Okay, sure.
Also, I need for this wood cutting and planing. You have any idea nearest any carpentry for planing and cutting that wood?
Sure. No need to go anywhere. We have cutting and planing facility here.
Oh, well.
In planning. Please come with me. So, along with the building materials, we have cutting and planing facility here. You can save your money and your valuable time. Thank you for visiting PlanetEco Building Materials.